This is a hill in Lynmouth that riding instructors refuse to go on. They won't go on it because they fall over. I've lost count how many times I've seen instructors trying to pick up their 1200cc bikes, BMWs, on this bend. It's not a difficult bend. It's a bit awkward if you've got traffic because it's on a bend, obviously, and it's on a steep hill. You just need to be aware of your surroundings and do not stop. If you stop and try to put your foot down, because of the incline, you're going to fall over. This is where these experts in bunny ears keep falling over. They try to put the foot down and they go too slow rather than putting more acceleration on to keep moving. Going down is more difficult, ha 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 ha, because if you cut the corner too tight, you're going to trap your ankle against the concrete curb. You've also got to be aware that cars coming up will also try to cut the corner. You need to be up high enough to see down the hill so you can see what traffic is coming up, and just try to get the angle just right. Also bear in mind, if there's any cars in front of you, there's a good chance they're going to slam on their brakes, so you end up ramming up the ass of them. Due to how steep it is, you're not going to be able to stop doing an emergency stop, you'll just slide. All you can do is just slow down as quickly as you can.